Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make Elementor website updated. Start by choosing a reliable host and installing WordPress, then install Elementor and Elementor Pro if needed, pick a lightweight theme, and set basic settings. Create a header, footer, and a global style guide. Use sections and columns for layout, add widgets for content, and optimize images. Test responsiveness, set SEO basics, and publish when satisfied to attract your ideal visitors. Plan your site structure before building to save time and keep users happy. Start with a sitemap and choose templates that match your goals. Customize global fonts and colors for brand consistency. Use reusable blocks for repeated sections, and leverage Elementor's theme builder for headers and footers. Add contact forms, galleries, and dynamic content where needed, then test load times and accessibility everywhere to ensure smooth user experience across devices. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. It really helps creators. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It kept me sipping through long design sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if you want. Thanks for the support and a quick stretch break. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on clean design and clear calls to action to guide visitors toward conversion. Use white space, contrast, and readable typography for clarity. Optimize images and enable lazy loading to improve page speed. Add micro-interactions to enhance engagement without distracting users. Set up analytics and test a/b variations of headlines and layouts. Keep mobile-first design, check forms, and ensure fast hosting and caching so your pages load quickly for every visitor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.